Ever found yourself in a tangle of repr and print while navigating the Python landscape? These three Python functions, seemingly similar yet subtly different, can often become a source of confusion. But fear not, today we're here to unravel these enigmatic functions and understand their unique roles in Python programming. Picture repr as a meticulous detective, intent on revealing the absolute truth about an object. It generates a string that, if fed back to Python, would reproduce the same object, or at least something very close to it. This makes repr a powerful tool for debugging, as it provides an unambiguous representation of an object's state. It's like a snapshot of the object's DNA, encapsulating its type and attributes in a string. Now, imagine str as a storyteller, spinning tales that are easy for humans to grasp. It's about creating a readable representation of an object, often sacrificing some details for the sake of clarity and simplicity. It's the friendly face of your object, delivering information that's easy on the eyes. And while repr is the go-to function for debugging, str is your best bet when you need to present data to end users. In between these two, we have print, the messenger of Python. It doesn't concern itself with the intricacies of representation. Its job is to deliver your message to the output device, be it a console or a file. It's the workhorse of Python, bringing your code's output to life and making Python speak your language. So in the grand scheme of Python, repr, sharpen, and print each have their unique roles to play. Repr is the detective unearthing the truth about an object. Str is the storyteller, painting a picture that's easy to understand, and print is the messenger, delivering your code's output to the world. Understanding these functions and their subtle differences can make your journey with Python more enjoyable and productive. Remember, repr, str, and print are not merely functions, they are your companions in the quest for clear, expressive, and effective Python programming. So the next time you're faced with these three, you'll know exactly what to expect and how to use them to your advantage.